Hello everyone, meet DJI Neo, the most affordable drone from DJI of all times. Weighing only 135 grams with 18 minutes flying time, this palm-sized drone offers effortless takeoff and landing directly from your hand. Since it does not need any controller, this is perfect for adventures. Equipped with AI subject tracking, Neo keeps your subject in frame for perfect follow shots, while 4K 30 fps ultra stabilized video ensures every moment is captured in rich details. Neo supports various control options from DJI Pilot app to remote controllers, DJI Motion, DJI Googles, and voice control. You have a freedom to fly your way. Equipped with propeller guards, you can fly safely and confidently every time. Enjoy a fresh perspective on everyday life with DJI Neo. Let's do the unboxing of DJI Neo. Let's see what's inside the combo box. Okay, so let's see. So now this is a very smart design from DJI for Neo. We have at the back we have this landing sensor and the battery compartment, and at the front we have this power button and this control buttons, and also we have the propeller guards. So now we can fly safely and confidently every time. So almost the size of this drone is very small. It also only cover my palm. So now let's see what we have inside the combo box along with this drone. So here we have in this box we have the charger, the charging hub. It has 3 batteries, 1 battery inside the drone, so it can automatically charge the charger along with these cables. This cable we have in this box. And also for the control option, you know that this drone is supporting the DJI Pilot application and remote controller, and also DJI Motion, DJI Googles, and voice controls. So along with this combo box we have the remote controller. So along with that we have one cable. We can connect our mobile phone with this cable. So this is so let's see what inside. So this is we have a manual in the box, and also we have 2 extra propellers. We have since it has the propeller guards, but we have the additional propellers of both types. So this was all from the combo kit we have with Neo. And this drone is very compatible, like it has 7-kilometer range and 2000 meter maximum altitude. So this drone is for the all times of adventures and the storytellers for vlogging. So we have this drone in stock right now. If you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.